Hello and welcome to PH Physics. Today's explainer is refraction, the bending of waves at a boundary. By the end of this video you'll know why it happens, what stays the same and what changes, and where Snell's law fits in. Refraction is the change in direction of a wave when it passes from one medium to another at an angle. It happens because the wave's speed changes between media. Bend towards the normal when entering a denser medium, slower, away from the normal when entering a less dense medium, faster. Three things. 1. Frequency stays constant, set by the source. 2. Wavelength changes, because V equals F lambda and V changed. 3. Perpendicular incidence means no bending, only at an angle. Common slip. Thinking the wave stops and starts again. It slows and continues, just in a new direction. And remember, frequency is invariant, only wavelength changes. Quick example, a pencil in a glass of water looks bent. Light refracts at the air-water boundary. The light from the underwater part of the pencil bends as it enters air, making the pencil appear shifted. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus mastery workbooks across maths, physics, biology and chemistry. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.